the little hippo?
The hippo?
Or am I misremembering this? They're not a hippo?
There was a hippo that attacked Horus. It was a set in a different form.
And what about, was there a little dwarf god? That's probably your dad. I'm
There
almost.
was a god of, there is a god of dwarves, but there wasn't one in the Horus the Avenger story.
And I remember Hathor. She was the cow goddess. I remember her from the temples.
Oh yeah, Hathor. It also, there was something about her. She went mad for blood. She was the lion goddess, actually.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
Cow/lion. When
They're very
she was
confusing.
in lion form,